Video muna tayo, be. Lagay sa whiting. Heavy rain tayo guys. Enjoy watching. Today is signal number 8 here in Hong Kong. Heavy rain because of typhoon guys. Heavy rain because of typhoon. Typhoon signal number 8. Yeah. Did you see that guys? Some people have umbrella and some people is wet or wet already because of raining and typhoon guys. Enjoy watching. So very heavy rain in Hong Kong and have also thunder. Have also thunder guys. That's why be careful everyone. It's already 8 in the evening. 8 in the evening guys. Yeah, look at that. Some people is no umbrella. Some people is no umbrella guys. That's why. Oh, look at that. Some people is waiting. Very wet. My God. Why do you take shower for the rain? What happened to them? You don't have any umbrella. Even you have umbrella guys because the rain is very, very strong. That's why some people is weak. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so heavy rain guys. Heavy rain here in Hong Kong everyone. Heavy rain. Oh my God. It's Filipino guapo? Because of raining guys, look, some people wait. Look. Nag-video muna tayo bilagay sa YTV. Lagay muna sa YTV at mahirap o dalang upuan. Ganito talaga. May typhoon kasi. That's typhoon signal number 8. And now it's strong. I think it's not 8. It's very strong guys. Oh, look. Some people look at that. Did you know that the thunderstorm? Oh, not our friends guys, not feel cold.
Pagkila lang yan, pagkila.
Saan kayo sa atin be?
Sa pera.
Iloilo naman ako. Ito na tinatawag na magsiuwian na kayo sa inyong bahay.
May plastic ka ba dyan, te?
Wala talaga, bayong lang talaga. Saan ba kayo pupunta?
Ilan or wow. Sa Sayipon.
Ayan no, MTR here.
Magpapas daw. Minibus.
Anong tapos dito? May minibus dito. Ito.
Hindi, papunta North Point.
North Point. Doon. Doon o bus o. Doon tawid. Doon yata no, tawid. Parang nakita ko naman kayo na dumaan kayo doon. Parang naganon kayo.
Hindi ka namin yung number 10 sa bus.
Saan ba yung number 10? Okay guys, this is typhoon. Waving typhoon here in Hong Kong. So much rain guys. Okay na. Enjoy watching tayo. Have Typhoon, guys. Have Typhoon. Thank you so much, guys. I hope everyone is enjoying and watching. More vlogs to come. Please follow my channel. God bless. Enjoy watching, guys.